It's important to adopt sustainable practices in order to continue farming successfully.
Because the more we interact with the land, the more key elements in the soil disappear from the landscape. Adrian Oglesby unlocks the mysteries to cultivating healthier soil.
Welcome to Adrian's KX Chemistry Lab. Today we will discuss the element phosphorus and its importance to our crops and soil. For starters, what is phosphorus? Phosphorus is a chemical element with the symbol P and the atomic number 15. Phosphorus is needed for the growth, maintenance, and repair of all tissues and cells and for the production of the genetic building blocks DNA and RNA. But how is it needed in our crops and soil? Let's shoot over to my soil specialist buddy from NDSU, Dr. Dave Franzen, for the answer.
So the element phosphorus is one of the pretty limited number of elements that are essential to plant growth. They can't grow, they can't reproduce, they can't go through their life cycle without it. It's used in any reaction that happens in the plant. Phosphorus is the main energy mechanism. In order for a reaction to go, it has to overcome a chemical energy barrier, and the phosphorus molecules they combine with others in the plant and animals really, and make that thing go, where thermodynamically it wouldn't do it without it.
Here in North Dakota, Dr. Franzen says that crops high in phosphorus with no extra incentives needed, regardless of what a soil test may say, is the old school seed flax and the beloved sunflower. But the potato has the least amount of phosphorus, which requires a slew just to get them to grow and produce sufficiently.
Plants don't produce phosphorus, they take it up from the soil. It's all soil derived. So any phosphorus the plant has originated in the soil.
In North Dakota, we don't have phosphorus in the form of phosphate rock at our disposal, as opposed to places like Idaho, Wyoming, and even Florida. In those spots, phosphorus can be damaged by tilling and plowing of the soil. Being that we don't have phosphorus here, our primary source is through fertilizer. The most commonly used is ammonium phosphate.
The main phosphorus loss that we have is either, exporting the grain away from where it was grown, to other countries and other states, or most often wind erosion is horrible around here. So the wind can carry it away, and has carried vast amounts of phosphorus off this land since it was plowed in the 1880s.
Well, Dr. Franzen, how do we protect it for the longevity of our crops and soils?
We can stop the soil from blowing, and people can build their soil back to a more productive level by something called no-till, where the stubble, the residue that's left on the soil, isn't disturbed, and then you plant into it the next year. Without
phosphorus, photosynthesis could not occur. Phosphorus plays a key role in complex energy transformations that are necessary to all life. Oop. Well, guys, that's my time, so that's all for today's lab. I'll catch you guys next week at the same time right here from the KX Chemistry Lab. I'm Adrian Oglesby.
In the following weeks, Adrian will be in the lab going over nitrogen, carbon, and potassium.